Hey Ryan, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting over that quick video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website, you have a really nice header here. You got your logo, your click to call for those quick conversions, as well as all your drop downs about all the services that you have, which is awesome. Then going through just a little bit of explanation, and then of course you can link to the pages, request a free estimate, of course putting that in the middle, just like the click to call following all the way down. Mission statement, why you're doing what you're doing, places you work with, whopping 600 jobs completed, which is amazing. Um, Great pictures as well as showing exactly different projects and reviews. So you do have a quaint website, really nice. Of course, you ended off with the um, hey, get in contact with us. Um, Really nice website. Just going through. I don't see like a ton of content as far as words go. So I see about 500, and that's the high point, or that's being generous. What Google is truly looking for is 1,500 to 2,000 words when they crawl your site. And in that, they're looking for um, organic keywords. And what that means is they're looking for those buyer intent keywords that people are putting in to search for your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes at what's going on with your website. And the way we do that, we use a system called Ahrefs. So when we put your website in, this is what pops up. So first thing, your UR rating, which is the strength rating, which is the strength of your website according to Google, and then your DR rating, which is the trust Google puts in your website. As you can see, not doing too hot. There is no strength rating, and you're a zero point 0.4 for the trust rating. What you want this to be is around 30, um, between 30 to 40, and you want it to be a ratio of 1 to 1. So the way you do that is with backlinks. So you only have two right now. Um, you need a lot more backlinks. Just putting it out there. What a backlink is any link that leads back from a different website back to yours. So that's something you'd need to boost up by a lot to beat out your competitors. Now, another thing they're looking for, as I said before, are those organic keywords, those buyer intent words that people are putting in to find your exact service. So let's check what your 103 keywords are. So if we take a look, a lot of these keywords, Timbercreek Flooring, Timberwood Flooring, these are all you. So that's why um, they're going to be ranking first because you put them in your website and that's what Google is ranking you for. So that's why you're not really getting much from them. The first keyword that you start ranking for, or for Austin, is Hardwood Flooring Austin, Texas, which is a great keyword. 150 people a month, but unfortunately, you're on the third page of Google, which no one really goes to the third page of Google, which is why you see you have zero traffic from that keyword, which is unfortunate because it's a good keyword. You also have Hardwood Floors Austin, once again, 150. And then Hardwood Floors Austin, which is one of the best ones, you're on the third page, fourth page actually, for this as well, third or fourth page. So that's why you're getting zero traffic from these awesome keywords that people are putting in. So let's check out what one of these keywords, or let's check out one of those keywords, which is a Hardwood Flooring Austin. First thing that pops up, boom, you have your ads, which is your pay per click. So these are the people that are paying to be up here. Next thing, your GMB. Super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people because they're the top three. They must be good. Not how that works, but hey, that's how people think. So then you're going to have your organic rankings. Your organic rankings are by the strength of your website. So let's take a look at what the strongest person's website looks like. So Austin Hardwood Flooring. So just taking a look at their website, structured pretty similar to yours. They got their logo, their schedule now, They don't have a click to call, which you do have over them. That's super important to have just for those quick conversions. But going through, they don't have a terrible amount. They have a lot of pictures, a lot of useless stuff, like why? Um, but they have everything they need on their website. So let's take a look behind the scenes of theirs and see why they're ranking so well. So going into Ahrefs, you can see they have a strength rating of 32, which is what you want. Their trust rating, though, is a 4.8, which isn't great, but they're doing something right. Because, as you can see, they have over 1,100 backlinks, which is amazing. As well as they have a lot of good keywords. So let's take a look at what their keywords are and how their keywords are ranking. So their keywords, Austin Hardwood Flooring, that's their name, but it's still a word people put in to search for that service. They're number one. Hardwood Flooring Austin, which once again, 500 people search for that. They're in position 2. And as you can see, all these different keywords that they're ranking for have super high volume, but they're getting a ton of traffic because they're on the front page. And it's super important to get on the front page to get this traffic because no one really goes past page 2. That's where websites go to die, unfortunately. Yeah. So if we want to start ranking, what needs to happen? You need to get those backlinks up. So great way to do that, hold up, is you have 111 backlinks you can choose from. Take all the ones that are good, add them to your own. That'll help boost your strength rating and trust rating with Google. You already know they work because he's using them, so you can use them too. As well as another good way is to start a blog. I know a lot of places do that, and they have a blog on their site, which allows them to backlink a lot from their blog, which is a great way. So I would always recommend doing that as well in your free time. And then, of course, your content. You want that 1,500 to 2,000 words so you can organically put those buyer intent keywords in so that Google says, hey, these are relevant. I'm going to rank this person for these words. And that'll help you get to the top. Now, Ryan, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out. And as always, I'm always looking to perfect my craft. So if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.